This video we are going to see what is the effect on kinetic energy when mass is doubled. Let us see here. Let the mass of the object is equal to m and velocity is equal to v. Then kinetic energy of the object will be half mv square. This is the formula of kinetic energy. Let us take half mv square as x. Now we are going to, in the second case, this is our first case. In second case we will take mass is equal to 2m as it is given. We have to see the effect when mass is doubled. Velocity we will take as it is v. Then kinetic energy 1 will be half into 2m into v square. Take this 2 here. Half this m v square. We have taken these 2 outside the bracket, and in bracket we have written half m and v square, and this we already have x. 2x means if we double the mass of the object, its kinetic energy will be doubled. Now we will see what happens when velocity is doubled. Here, in first case, m is the mass, v is the velocity, ke, that is kinetic energy, is equal to half mv square, and we have taken it as x. Now, when in this case we have to double the velocity, means velocity is doubled. This half mv square. Now we will take here mass as m and velocity as 2v as it is given. Now kinetic energy 1 in this case will be half into m into 2v square. Since in place of velocity we have taken 2v, it will become half m 4v square. We will take 4 outside here and we will write half this m this and v square here. Means 4 into half mv square means 4x. 4 we have taken out here and half mv square we have written, and we have already taken half mv square as x. Therefore it has become 4x. Means if we double the velocity, kinetic energy will become 4 times. Now again let us take what happens when velocity is halved. Velocity is halved. Or HALVED, whatever may be the spelling. Mass is equal to m, velocity is equal to v, then kinetic energy will be half mv square. Now we will take velocity as half v. Here mass, next case mass is m. We don't have to change the mass. Velocity we will take half v as it is given. Velocity is halved. Now its kinetic energy will become half m and half v whole square. Half m 1 by 4 v square. We will take this 1 by 4 outside here and we will write half m v square. And half mv square, as we have taken x here, it will become 1 by 4x. So here we can see when we make the velocity half, then kinetic energy becomes 1 by 4 times. In this way we have seen what is the effect of kinetic energy when mass is doubled, velocity is doubled, and velocity is halved.